Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the latest and the greatest iOS developer beta on your compatible iPhones. The list of iPhones on which you can install the developer beta version of iOS 18 can be seen on your screen right now. First thing I recommend you do is make a backup of your iPhone. You can do it on iCloud, you can do it on your Mac. Next, make sure that your battery is charged at least 80 or 90%, or the best option would be to charge your battery to 100% and then connect your phone to a charger while you are downloading and installing iOS 18 developer beta on your iPhone. Another thing you would need to make sure is that you have enough free space on your iPhone, somewhere around 18 to 20 GB. Another thing which you need to ensure is that you are on the latest version of iOS 17. Also, before you ask me, hey Manchi, do I need a computer for this? Do I need my Mac? The answer to that is no. Also, you do not need any special account, or you do not need to pay Apple anything for access to this developer beta of iOS 18. Next up, we are going to open Safari. Of course, make sure you do have an active internet connection, and you need to go to developer.apple.com. Once this website has loaded, tap on the two parallel lines on the top left and then go into account. You will land up on this page here and sign in with your Apple ID with which you are signed in on your current iPhone, and on this specific iPhone you want to install iOS 18 developer beta. Now, once you have signed in successfully, you will land up on this page, and herein you need not do anything. You do not have to select enroll today. All you need to do is sign into developer.apple.com with the same ID with which you want to install iOS 18 developer beta. Next up, go into settings. Once you are in settings, you will go into general, and herein you need to go into software update. Pretty soon you should see the option of beta updates. If you do not see the option for beta updates, then go ahead, open your recents, kill the settings application, and then go back to the same page. So we're going to go back into settings, general, software update, and this time around you should see beta updates, and then we're going to tap on beta updates. Now here on the bottom, it will display your email address with which you are signed in. In case you want to change that, feel free to do so, but you do not have to. And then all you need to do is select iOS 18 developer beta. We are going to go back, and bam, here it is. You can see we now have the option of downloading and installing the latest and the greatest iOS 18 developer beta onto our iPhone. And herein all you need to do is select update now. So at this point, it is going to download the latest iOS 18 developer beta onto your iPhone. Now the update is going to take some time to download and prepare, but once it is done, all you need to do is select install now. At which point your iPhone is going to reboot and you should land up on a screen like this. Over here, all you need to do is be patient. And once the process of installing iOS 18 developer beta on your iPhone has finished successfully, you should land up on a screen like this. Herein we are going to swipe up. We're getting a message, software update is complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 18. Continue, and we're going to set up these things later on. But there it is, peeps. That is how you install iOS 18 developer beta on your iPhone without any paid account, for free, without access to a computer, and without any data loss.